If you ever tried to copy and paste on your iPad and it just felt confusing, this video will make it super simple. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome back to another video. Let's go step by step. First, let's start with copying text. Open any app where you can see text. This could be Safari, Notes, Messages or anything. Now tap and hold on a word. You'll see it get highlighted. From here, you can drag the blue handles to select more text if you want. Once you've selected the text, tap copy. That's it, your text is now copied. Now let's paste it. Go to where you want to paste the text, for example the Notes app, tap and hold in an empty space, then tap paste, and just like that your text appears. And one last tip, if you make a mistake, use a 3-finger swipe left to undo and swipe right to redo. That's everything you need to know about copying and pasting on an iPad. If this video helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.